Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front section of your hair aside and then take the remaining hairs and then pull it inside out nicely. Now start making the braids of the front section and then keep adding the smaller section from the remaining hairs and make the braids out of it. Keep doing it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then attach it all properly with the help of a hairpin and then it will look like this and then accessorize it. For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and divide it into two sections. Now pull it inside out as shown in the video and then fix it properly with the help of the rubber band. Now take the remaining hairs and then fix it properly. Now pull out the hairs as shown and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then take a clip, attach it nicely. Now take the ponytail and start making a bun out of it very nicely and gently and then attach it properly with the help of a hairpin as shown in the video. It will be looking like this and then fix it properly and it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making a braid out of it as shown in the video and then make a cute riddle bun out of it and then fix it properly with the help of a hairpin. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making the braids out of it as shown and then pull out the hairs from the braids. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too and then tie it nicely and pull out the hairs. It will be looking like this. Now take both the braids and then attach it properly with the help of a hairpin. It will be looking like this and then it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair from the side, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out twice. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too and then it will be looking like this. Now take both sides and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now start taking the smaller section from the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely and pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs, make the bun out of it, attach it properly with the help of a hairpin and then it will look like this and then it's all done. The next one, take your hairs and then take the front sections aside. Now take all three sections and then wrap it around gently and nicely as shown in the video. Now bring it all together. Now once again take another section and wrap it around very nicely and gently. Now keep doing the exact same process again and again until it will start looking like a braid. Now keep doing it and then once you are complete with that, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will look like this and then it's all done. For next one, take the front section of your hair, tie it nicely and then make the bun out of it as shown in the video. Fix it properly, it will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide the hairs into two sections and then roll it nicely and then tie it all together, wrap it around, attach it all together properly and nicely and then it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair from the middle and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it as shown in the video with the help of the elastic. It will be looking like this. Now pull it inside out very nicely and gently and then take it all together. Now take the front section and then attach it all together very nicely and gently. Now start making the bun out of it by making the cute little braid of the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will be looking like this. Now attach it properly with the help of the hairpin and then it's all done. Accessorize it. Thanks for watching.